everyone, we are Team 1.
I'm John Gabriel Regometa.
I'm John Nicolay El Macbuan.
I'm Jerry Bautista.
I am Alvin Chodoro. I am Jasmine Angorinia. I am Angel Enrico.
And we are the Team 1.
Our topic for today is about industry in the profession. Introduction. The industry that supply computer goods and services are in a continuous state of change as new products appear and old products are discontinued, as corporations form, merge, and die, as corporate leaderships, as consumer buying habits evolve, and as prices steadily decrease. Before you venture out to buy computer, peripheral devices, or software, before you commit yourself to a computer career, or before you buy stock in computer companies, you should arm yourself with basic knowledge about the computer and information technology industries. In this module, you will learn the scope and economics of these dynamic industries. Learning outcome. By the end of this module, students will be able to first, differentiate computer industry with information technology industry. Second, list the different companies included in the IT industry and discuss and enumerate the different professions and careers in the computing fields, computing domains, computing disciplines, and computing knowledge areas. Industry overview. Computer industry encompasses those companies, manufacturers, computers, and computer components. Information technology industry or IT industry refers to the companies that develop, produce, sell, or support computers, softwares, and computer-related products. Includes companies in the computer industry, software publishers, communicators, service vendors, information service, and service companies. Companies include in the IT industry. Companies in the IT industry can be separated into several broad categories, sometimes to as sectors or segments, including equipment manufacturers, chip makers, software publishers, device service companies, and retailers. Software publishers create computer software including applications, operating system, and program language. Examples of software companies include Microsoft, Adobe System, Electronic Arts or EA, and Computer Associate or CA. Service companies provide computer-related services including business consulting, website design, web hosting, internet creations, computer equipment, repair, network security, and product supports. Classic example of service companies include AOL and computer consulting giant EDS, electronic data system. Computer retailers include companies that sell computers product through retail stores, direct sales representatives, mail order catalog, and website. Well-known computer resellers include CompuSA, which operates stores and mail order retailers, PC Connection, and CDW.
Information technology or IT industry also encompasses large conglomerates with one or more divisions devoted to computer hardware, software, or services. Ang IT industry ay mahalaga sa ekonomiya natin sapagkat nagpapalago ito sa pamamagitan ng investments, lumilikha ng trabaho, at nagpapabilis ng innovation. Dahil sa IT, mas madali ang globalization at connection ng mga negosyo. Mabilis din itong nagbabago kaya kailangan ang tuloy-tuloy na pag-adapt. Kaya malaki ang impact nito sa iba't ibang sektor at nagtutulak ng pag-unlad sa ekonomiya. As an example, Japanese owned Hitachi produces a wide variety of electronic devices, but it is also one of the world's largest chip makers. By dollar value, the biggest computer hardware producing countries are the United States, Japan, Taiwan, Singapore, and China. Despite the increasing globalization of the industry, However, it remains dominated by the United States. The majority of IT workers are in the United States, even though about 2/3 of industry revenues are from non-US companies. What makes IT industry successful? As with any situations involving the economy, the factors that account for the success of the IT industry cannot be pinpointed with certainty. It is likely, however, that population growth and business globalization are two important factors that contribute to huge investment in information technology. Upang maging successful ang IT industry ay dahilan sa population growth at business globalization at paglaki ng population ay nagdadala ng mas maraming demand para sa IT products and services na lumilikha ng bagong markets at naghihikayat ng innovation para matugunan ang iba't ibang pangangailangan ng users. Kasabay nito, ang business globalization ay nangangailangan ng matatag na IT infrastructure para sa global connectivity, competitive advantage, at efficient data management, na lalong nagpapalakas sa paglago at importansya ng information technology industry. Marketing channels. Hardware manufacturers and software publishers try to reach consumers by making their products available through a variety of sources. Computer hardware and software are sold through marketing outlets called marketing channels. Ano nga ba ang marketing channels? Ang marketing channels ay ang iba't ibang paraan o platforms na ginagamit ng isang negosyo para maipakilala at maibenta ang kanilang produkto o serbisyo sa mga customer. Ito yung tulay nila para maabot ang target market tulad ng social media, website, email at iba pa. Computer retail stores purchases computer products from a variety of manufacturers and sells those products to consumers. Computer retail stores are either small local shops or nationwide chains. Computer retail stores employees are of about variety of computer products and can help you select a hardware of software product to fit your need. O sa madaling salita ay kung paano tayo bibili ng gadgets sa store at tatanungin ka ng employee kung ano ang kailangan mo, ilan ang budget mo at iba pa. Ayun ang tinatawag nating computer retail stores. Mail order or internet outlets is a type of retailing in which a vendor takes order by telephone or from an internet site and then ship the product directly to customers. Mail order suppliers generally offer low prices but might provide only limited service and support. A mail order supplier is often the best source of products for buyers who are likely to need support who can troubleshoot problems by calling help desk. Maihahalin tulad natin ito sa pag-order natin sa Orange app o di kaya sa TikTok shop at marami pang iba. Value Added Reseller or VAR combines commercially available products with specialty hardware or software to create a computer system designed to meet the needs of a specific industry. Although VARs charge for their expertise, they are often the only source for a specialized computer system. For example, if you own a video rental store and want to automate the rental process, the best type of vendor might be a VAR that offer a complete hardware and software package tailored to the video rental business. Manufacturers Direct refers to hardware manufacturers that sell their products directly to consumers without middlemen. Such as a retail store, IBM has a long tradition of direct sales, and that model has been emulated by several hardware manufacturers and some software publishers. A company's sales force, where large volume sales can cover the sales representatives' costs and commissions. For example, a business purchasing a bulk order of computers direct from Apple sales team for their employees getting a better price without retail markup.
Industry regulation. Some aspects of IT industry are regulated by government agencies, but many aspects are self-regulated. The IT industry encompasses many activities, however, and consequently, it is subject to regulation from a variety of broad-based government agencies. Many governments are enacting laws that restrict access to particular internet activities and content. In many countries, export restriction affect the type of technology that can be sold to foreign governments and individuals. For example, from being exported from the United States software and hardware products that contain certain encryption algorithms must be registered with the U.S. government. Additionally, government regulation that pertains to law enforcement, national security, e-commerce, and taxation can also affect the way the IT industry product its business and how it engineers products. Profession and careers in the computing field. Computer professional is any person whose primary occupation involves the design, configuration, analysis, development, modification, testing, or security of computer hardware or software. Preparing for a career in the computer industry. To prepare for a career in the computer industry, you must first decide on the area in which you are interested and then become educated in that field. Second, attend a trade school, technical school, vocational school. And lastly, attend college universities. An IT department improve career opportunities for people with a variety of skills and talents. Usually, these jobs are divided into 6 main areas. First, management. Directs the planning, research, development, evaluation, and integration of technology. These are the leaders. They plan and guide how technology is used in the company. They make decisions about research, development, and improve of technology. Second, system development and programming. Analyzes, designs, develop, and implements the information technology and maintain and improve existing system. This is people are creators. They design and build computer systems, software, and programs. They also fix and improve old systems. Number 3, technical services. Evaluates and integrates new technologies, administer the organization's data, resources, and supports the centralized computer operating system and servers. These people are the problem solvers. They test and set up new technology, management, company data, and support servers and main computer system. Number 4, operation. Operates the centralized computer equipment and administer the network, including both data and voice communications. These are the operators. They run the company's computer equipment and take care of the network, including internet, data, and phone connections. Number 5, training. Teaches employees how to use components of information system or answer specific user questions. These people are the teachers. They help other employees learn how to use computers, software, and other technology. They also answer questions when someone has a problem. And number 6, security. Develop and enforces policies that are designed to safeguard an organization data and information from unauthorized user. These people are protectors. They make rules and system to keep the company's data and information safe from hacker or anyone who should not have access.